The location history feature on an iPhone works by utilizing a combination of GPS, Wi-Fi, cellular data, and location-based services. When enabled, your iPhone constantly tracks and records your device's location information, creating a log of the places you've been. The location history data collected by your iPhone is stored locally on the device and can be accessed through the Settings app. It is important to note that location history is subject to your device settings and privacy preferences. You have control over which apps can access your location and whether to enable or disable location history altogether. To check the location history on an iPhone, you can follow these steps. First, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Scroll down and tap System Services. Scroll down and tap Significant Locations. To access the Significant Locations feature, you might need to authenticate using your passcode, Touch ID or Face ID. Now you will see a list of locations that your iPhone has recorded. The locations are categorized by city or region. If you tap on a specific location, you will see more detailed information, such as the dates and times you were at that location. Please note that the availability and visibility of location history may depend on your device's settings, the apps you have installed, and your privacy settings. And that's it.